From shoes to housing to plumbing and prosthetics, 3D printing is reimagining the manufacturing process at a hyper-local level. Today, instead of searching for replacement parts and getting them shipped to you, you can download a design, obtain the right materials, and print exactly what you need. And then you can do it again and again, all at a personal level. So, how could ministries use 3D printing to support local communities in real ways? We uncovered promising stories of how Christian organizations could use 3D printing to tangibly transform people's lives.
In Nepal, 3D printing provided disaster victims with the exact plumbing fittings they needed to get clean water back into their homes and businesses. Surgeons in South Africa printed a titanium component that restored a patient's hearing. 3D printed prosthetics are now fairly common and can be completely customized thanks to this technology. And this increased supply encourages prices to fall, so it's great news for those who need access to them in developing countries. 3D printing has even been used to build prefabricated houses, so more people can have a place they call home. By the end of 2018, Adidas had 3D printed more than 100,000 soles for its shoes, while another company used this tech to develop its own custom-fit insoles. One company called Filabot recycles materials and then repurposes them for use in 3D printers.
3D printing began to expand significantly after 2009, when a number of key patents expired, making it more widely available. For anyone familiar with traditional ink and paper printing, 3D printing is an apt description. Like any computer-printed document, it starts with a digital model and then sends that model to a printer in a series of two-dimensional layers. From there, the printer goes back and forth over the same surface, adding layer upon layer. These materials include plastics and even metals. At this point, 3D printing is so good, it can produce industrial-grade quality. In the humanitarian sector, 3D printing is finding a role as well. It's being praised for reducing waste and supporting the environment, for increasing the use of local labor, and for developing a design process that involves more end users.
3D printers are becoming affordable for almost any budget, because now they range in price from just $99 to over $500,000. There are already dozens of libraries of existing designs available that you can download for free, or at least at a minimal cost. As you get started, some factors to consider will be how fast you want to print, what materials you'll be using, what they will cost, and whether you will want color options, for example.
Faitech's missional tech trend on 3D printing will help you see the opportunities as well as other factors to keep in mind. We provide a biblical analysis that considers the spiritual and social impact 3D printing can have on communities. Dive in and we'll help you start exploring 3D printing for your organization.